What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox my new DJI RS3 Pro Combo. I just bought this one for my new camera. I have been using another DJI for my phone. They have pretty much the same function, so let's do it. Go. They come in a really nice packaging. It's also good for travel if you like to bring it with you. And it's just like that. So here's what it looks like from the inside, and the first thing that you will notice as soon as you open it is this kind of like a handle looking thing. If you are new here, I just started vlogging a week ago, so everything is new to me. I'm not really good at explaining about the DJI itself. I just know that I'm gonna use this for my vlogging. Here's a closer look, and it has a little pouch with cables. Also, if you open, there's more accessories inside. I'm gonna show you guys one by one. The first one is, I think this is the thing that you have to attach to your tripod, if I'm not mistaken. And then the second pouch is like a magnet looking. And the third pouch it looks like a battery to me, but I don't know. And the next one will be this one. Ooh, I think this one is to attach to your phone, just like the other one that I have. So it's kind of like you can stretch them out. And the next pouch will be handle. Also another accessory. And here we have, it's a stand, I would assume. Yep. So we just kind of put it there. Also, let's open the pouch for the cables. I think this has the manual, and this one will be the so these are the cables for charging and transferring the photos and etc. Another cable, put it aside. Also screws and the driver, another two. Also this ones, they look like a cable. I don't know what it is. All right. It looks like we're done. These are all the accessories. Okay, so now let's put the main pieces together. First you want to take the stand. It has a little screw thing in the middle, and then second you want to take this handle, and then you want to put it in right in the middle where there's a hole, and then you kind of screw until it's locked. That's it. And then third, you want to attach to this one. So you want to make sure that you attach the 6 yellow dots together, and that's it. And there you go. Now you have a DJI standing. So there's only 2 more main pieces that I'm going to attach to it. First you have this one for the camera. I'm going to show you how to put it. So it's really easy. You just have to kind of pull, okay, until it's clicked, and then you can kind of adjust the balance with this one right there. And then second thing is the handle. So you would want to slide it down just like that, and then make sure that it's supposed to be like that, and you can kind of tighten the screw. Yep. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.